Hi everyone, it's April from Cloth Diapers for Beginners one more time. My favorite thing in the whole wide world, fluff mail, and I have some more for you today. So let's get right into it. Today it is from, Lil Helper Cloth Diapers. These guys have been around for quite some time. I haven't actually tried anything of theirs yet, so I'm super excited about this. I hope you are too. So the deal with these are they did send them to me for free. They said, we would love for you to do a review, but you don't have to. But I mean, if you're gonna go ahead and send me a box of fluff mail, I'm gonna do a review. That's just without saying, especially for a well-known brand like these that I've been wanting to try. So let's pop this open and see what they've sent me. Now, I'm using a knife, so I'm gonna have to be very careful. I didn't pre-open this, so that's my bad. I should have done that, so I didn't struggle on video, but here we are. Sorry guys, next time I will do it off camera. I just want to be very, very careful because anything with PUL inside, if that PUL gets punctured, that's like a leak point. So I'm gonna put this over here for now, a little basket. Okay. Exciting! Tissue! Get used to that. We're just before Christmas, so there'll be tissue all over this place soon. Hey, awesome sauce. Okay, so a note. I will post a little shot of this note on the screen right now so you can see. I'm not going to read it all here, but I love that it starts with awesome sauce. So I'll put that on the screen for you. What's this? Aw, thanks, you're dynamite. They do ask for a review on Google. I'm going to do you one better, and I'm going to put a review on the website. If you're new around here, you might not know I don't have a kiddo in diapers right now, but I do have moms that do the review for me, and they have, a set of 5 criteria that they're looking for. So we put diapers through the paces, and once we've put this one through the paces, I will give you the full review both on YouTube and on the website. So they did put a little chocolate in there, thank you. So Lil Helper Cloth Diaper, okay, so this is their standard one, I believe. Simple wash and dry instructions on the back. No prep, ready to use. Inserts feel dry when, okay. So every time I try to take this on a table, it kind of gets a little awkward, so I'm just gonna open them right here this time. So let's open this diaper up. First of all, let me take a second to appreciate the print. Y'all know how much I love a print. This one has farms and chickens and sheep with scarves on them and little rainbow horses and chicks. It's adorable. So have a look at that print. Just adorable. And I love the contrasting color inside. Okay, this is interesting. So it is a snap-in. So if I were to classify this diaper myself, I'm not sure what they classify it as, but that'll all be in the review. But I would say this is an all-in tubes because the absorbent inside, the inserts snap into the cover rather than a flap like an all-in-one or a pocket diaper. These have no pocket, so it's basically an all-in-two diaper. So the inserts, if you can see, if you can see, they just snap in there to hold them tight. Snap in on this side. There we go. So you get 2 inserts on this one. The top looks like it's, the top insert looks like it's topped with like a nice charcoal fleece. I don't know what's inside, but it feels dense, but not thick. So I'm assuming that it's not microfiber, but I don't know. I will check and I'll write below my face or something what is actually inside of it. And then the second one has like a terry topper on top of it. A little bit larger. Again, it feels very dense, but like not so fluffy. I'm thinking it's a microfiber, but I will check and put that down below. Interestingly, this one has AWJ on the back side. So for those of you who do buy pocket diapers, AWJ is very popular right now for those. So that has an AWJ on the back side. I don't know if you can tell very well. But this one has what feels like a PUL on the back side. So that's interesting. And it's kind of a cute little confetti print. So I'll find out more about that and put some information down below right now. But interesting. I'm very intrigued. These are not like any diapers I think I've reviewed on this channel before. Have I reviewed an all-in-two yet? I don't think I have, so that's exciting. This will be our first all-in-two comprehensive review. I've definitely tried out all-in-twos myself, but I've never done the full Cloth Diapers for Beginners review, so it'll be interesting. Stay tuned for that one. Very exciting. Love, love, love the colors and the feel. They all feel very nice. They all feel very nice, so we'll see. We'll put these to the test and get back to you soon. Very exciting. My first all-in-two review on the channel. All right, what else is in this box? I tend to go on and on. I don't mean to, because we're gonna have so much more in the review. All right. Oh yes, she told me this. Something for me to review. So if you've been around for a while, you know I do cloth pads as well. And now I have a new brand to try out, Lil Helpers. So this, okay, what is this? Because generally cloth pads will come in different sizes just as regular pads will. Oh, it has right here, wicking bamboo stay dry fabric on top. Interesting, interesting. 2 plush bamboo terry layers inside and the waterproof PUL outside, which, look at this print. I mean, it's nice for us moms to get prints sometimes too, right? Like a cute little sea creature print. It doesn't say, oh, regular flow. So this is a regular flow pad. It has 2 bamboo terry layers inside. That seems adequate. I mean, I will try them out for you and also have a review of these. But that seems adequate for a regular flow pad. What else is in here? Are these both regular flow? Oh, heavy flow, okay. So let's open these guys up. I feel bad I'm putting them on my floor, but I don't have anything set up here. So this one has 3 plush bamboo terry layers inside with the bamboo stay dry topper and the waterproof PUL. And this one's much larger. So here's the regular and here's the heavy. So this would be very good for at night, that type of thing. Postpartum, I don't know how, that doesn't seem like very much for a postpartum, but I think this would be great for nighttime. We'll see. I'll give it a go and see what I think it would be good for. Cute print again. This is the mermaid print I saw on their website. It's adorable. I think it's called Badass Mermaids. I'll double check for you, but how cute is that? All right, last one. This one's a heavy flow too. I just want to see the print because it would be the same inside. But little UFO alien, like 1950s alien fun print. Gotta love that. That's fun. All right, what else have we got? We got some candies. They're trying to get me with the candies and the chocolate. All right. Oh, this is awesome. So this one I'm going to check out as well because, again, if you've been here for a while, you know I have one that a 6-year-old girl who is still wetting the bed. We haven't like crossed that barrier where she's actually stopped wetting the bed at night. So ongoing story over here, but we are trying to change things up and see if we can kind of move forward on that so she stays dry during the night. We have some nights that are good and then we don't seem to cross that week threshold yet. So this will be interesting to try. This is the Lifesaver Extra Large Giant Everything Mat. So it's 40 inches by 57 inches. Waterproof PUL back, absorbent microfiber inside, and stay dry charcoal on the top. So it says supersized change mat, picnic blanket, mattress protector, which is how I'm going to test it out. And I'm going to put it to the test under a 6-year-old. So we're going to see how it performs. Fort blanket, play mat, swim towel, bath towel. Yeah, I'm going to use this constantly. I can tell you that right now. Even when everything is said and done, I'll be using it constantly. splash mat, drop cloth, naked time mat, sensory play mat, potty training mat, couch protector, that's a good idea. All right, let's see what it looks like. My gosh, it's huge, guys, like massive. Whoa. So I could literally use this like a towel. It's crazy. Oh my goodness. So I love that it's the charcoal on top because that's gonna, you know, keep it clean and stain free when you have a kid that's probably gonna eat something on her bed when I'm not looking. And it's the mermaid print. I love this print so much. Look at that. I'm gonna cover the full frame so you can really have a look since I have so much of it. So super excited. It has a hook here. I should comment on the PUL. The PUL feels nice. It's very pliable, but it also feels thick at the same time. Like sometimes when I say it's a pliable PUL, it does feel on the thin side, but this one actually feels like sturdy. It's a more sturdier one, but it's not crinkly, if that makes sense. If you've been cloth diapering a while, I know what I'm talking about. It's very, very nice, very shiny inside. It feels absorbent, but it doesn't feel too thick. Again, it's the microfiber inside. Yeah, I'm very excited. I'm excited that I get to test some things out for you once again. I don't have to send everything off to somebody else. I get to test it firsthand. This will definitely get lots of use and lots of put through the paces. I will leave a link to these products in the description below as well. I do have other diaper reviews coming up very shortly on a few other brands, so do hit subscribe and click that bell so you don't miss those. Okay, I will stop talking. That was so exciting. I love fluff mail. I hope you got a little bit of my excitement through the camera as well. But I will see you next time. Thanks. Bye.